Last inspection of the day. A little insurance loss. Insurance loss, insurance claim, whatever you want to call it. This is just the roof that got repaired from hail damage. And I have to take pictures for the mortgage company. So this is a fairly quick inspection. Fairly quick if the customer isn't here. Wow, come on, man. I'm over here fumbling. All right, it's just the roof, flashing, stuff like that. I had to call the guy earlier, let him know that I'm coming by. And he's cool with it, so here I am. Okay, don't really know what's going on over there. Okay. Oh, would you hush? Oh, yeah. Definitely going through an insurance claim. All right, I'm all done.